In a recent interview with Vital MX, KTM team manager Ian Harrison was asked not only about Sexton's return, Aaron Plessinger's status, but also the status of that guy right there, Tom Vialle. Obviously, he's come over here, he's won 2 Supercross 250 titles, and now it's the question of where does we go from here. Obviously, Supercross he's pointed out of or titled out of, whatever you want to call it. So you have to move up to the 450s, which means they're either running a 3-person team or they're just going to be running Plessinger and him, which I highly doubt with the rumors of somebody else going over there. Who knows whether it's Tomac or somebody else, but there are rumors that there is going to be a quote-unquote number 1 rider, a 3rd seat, and then Vialle moving up, obviously, to fill in that 3rd role. Or the question also becomes the rumor of him going back to MXGP. And he kind of confirmed that, I guess you want to say. He said that they have a 1-year deal on offer for Vialle. Whether that's 1 year with an option for 2, whether that's who knows what it is, he said that's what their offer is. And he did confirm that, yes, he has offers to go back to MXGP, and I believe he even said that it's good that he has options, which I don't really think they probably think is a good thing. You know, more than likely you'd want to be able to just say, here's the contract, we have him, and move on. But, I mean, with KTM, it's a struggle at the moment. You know, he even went on to talk about how because of the restructuring of the team earlier this year, they don't have the open checkbook to do whatever they want with obviously KTM and their money problems. It is much more of a, here's your budget. You can do whatever you want with this, but that is the number. And there is no open checkbook. It's not, hey, let's run 3 bikes with the biggest names possible, and we can just, you know, open the checkbook, write out a blank check and say, here, rider, you know, sign whatever you want. Put the number down and we'll just go with it. So it's going to be a thing. I mean, obviously, Vialle with 2 Supercross titles is going to, I'm assuming, want a pretty lucrative contract. And who knows what the deal over in MXGP is, what team. I'm assuming probably KTM, but you never know. And whatever their actual monetary value is for the contract. But as far as he said, you know, they have a 1-year deal. And that's kind of where it is. And if you're Vialle, do you really want to do the year-to-year thing? I mean, if you stay here in the 450s and you have a bad year, then what happens? You have to, you know, negotiate down your own contract. You got to try and stay with this team or move to another one. And that's, you know, a lot of hassle, a lot of change. And if you go over to MXGP and it's a multi-year deal, it might be the safer way to go. I don't know, more consistent contract, more consistent career, but it's all gonna fall out in the end. Who knows what actually is gonna happen until it actually happens. But this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you want Vialle to stay here on the 450 ride? Do you think he's gonna stay here or go back to MXGP? Or actually, sorry, go to MXGP, because he would have to go back to MX2, which I don't think he can actually do. But I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.